Thank you for coming here to interview me. Let me just tell you about Helio Clock. It's a brand new product. It is making its debut here. It's never been seen before. The website just went live a couple days ago, and we've had a fantastic show. We sold out of 2 of our 3 products yesterday. What this is a total situational awareness system for a ham shack. It gives you space weather. It gives you band conditions. It gives you terrestrial weather, like satellite and radar images like TV weather does. It gives you other things going on with the earth, earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, everything going on. It's designed by a former television weatherman who also happens to be an engineer and a ham radio operator. So it's got all of those features that those kinds of people have right into it. So it's designed to run on a Raspberry Pi 4 or 5, and we sell these little pre-made Raspberry Pi boot sticks. You just basically plug that SD card in and it comes up and runs. It'll also run on any older PC that you may have laying around, like an older Windows 10 machine you're not using anymore. As long as it's got 4 gigabytes, you plug in our USB stick, which I'm sold out of right now. But you plug in the USB stick and set it up in the boot for the BIOS as a boot drive. It boots up and runs, and it'll give you displays like you're seeing here. The displays are all totally interactive, and all you need is a keyboard or a mouse. We also have complete ready-to-run systems, which I'm also sold out of. And these just come up and work, you power them on, hook them up to a monitor, and you're ready to go. Now, the other cool thing about this product is you can also run this on a browser. So if you have like a tablet or your phone or whatever, you can also see the display on it. All you have to do is type in, if you're on your LAN or your Wi-Fi, helioclock.local. You don't need to search for IPs or anything, and it'll come right up and run. As far as operating goes, it's really simple. Each one of these displays on the side here, these little mini panels, are you click one and it gives you additional information. And it pops right up. And so there's 60 different mini panels that you can put on the system, all with information. There's also an alerting system. It'll give you all the standard weather alerts that normally you get from the National Weather Service. But there's other alerts. There's space weather alerts, band opening alerts, all kinds of other different alerts that you can program in. And they're all based on your QTH, localized, and they will run a crawl along the bottom of the screen, plus an alert tone, just like you'd hear on television, though we're not using the EIS tone. No, that's terrible. we use CQ. We use CQ when it starts up. It comes out as audio, but when there's an alert, we spell out alert in CW.
Okay. Nice.
So, yeah, it's brand new. And here's the thing, there's no subscription, 0. And it'll always be that way. It's a one-time cost, $40 here at the show gets you a bootable SD card for your Pi or a USB stick. And we have them on the website. We're honoring the web show pricing, or the show pricing on the web for a couple of weeks, because we know a lot of people are taking brochures home. But overall, the response to this has been fantastic. I've been really, really pleased with it.
Nice. All right. Thank you.